Hello, my friends. It's me, Karl. I hope you are all feeling well. Today, I went outside in the nature to take a walk because air is so healthy. Fresh air is so healthy for you. I tell you, go outside, take a deep breath. It's so healthy for your brain, and you also can discover a lot of interesting things. Let's see what I discovered today. Look, I discovered a bunch of apple trees. Can you see the red apples? Oh, delicious. I like fruits. Especially apples, they are very healthy. They have a lot of vitamins and also a lot of other good nutrients. Apple trees and also pear trees or other fruit trees are very important for the insects in our nature, for the bees and for other little insects. And now I'm gonna collect some apples. Nom, 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 nom. That's so delicious. Look how many I collected. Apples from trees outside in the nature are not always 100% shiny. They sometimes have holes or little dents. But that's no problem. You can remove the dents before you eat it. Or you can make a lot of applesauce or apple pie from the apples. So that's no problem. Now I tell you, go outside with your parents and look for apples and other trees. So my friends, I tell you, stay happy and be friendly to everyone and to every plant or tree in our nature because they are very important. So I wish you a great day. Bye! Hey friends, one more thing. If you like me and my videos, please let me know. And if you want to follow my other adventures, please hit the subscribe button. See you!